Yeah. Ah, bukan.
Campur-campur ya. Where do I begin? Honestly, when I first got to London, I've spent the past few days thinking, pondering what to say on stage. Honestly, there's no words that can really describe or do justice to how much I feel, to how thankful I am for these 3 to 4 years that I've been here. I've spent, I think, the whole morning to roughly draft out my idea of what to say. Clearly, I failed because honestly, really, no words can say. When I first came here, little did I know I had fulfilled my dream as a teacher, but not just that, I gained a second home, a second family. The kids were like my kids. The teachers and parents, they were my friends. And I cannot be any more grateful. Kepada anak murid sekalian, baru faham kan? Cikgu memang sayang korang semua. Setiap orang, cikgu memang sayang. Tapi cikgu sayang. Cikgu sangat bangga tengok korang. Improve yourself daily, sentiasa meningkat diri sendiri. Walaupun sedikit pun, cikgu memang bangga. Cikgu nampak korang sentiasa mencuba. Itu je yang cikgu minta. Jangan putus asa. Saya harap selepas ini, walaupun cikgu tiada di sekolah ini, cikgu harap korang akan sambung apa yang cikgu ajar dalam kelas dan di luar kelas. Cikgu harap korang akan mencapai cita-cita korang. Kepada guru-guru, terima kasih banyak-banyak sebab sentiasa membantu saya. Dan kepada ibu bapa, terima kasih sebab korang sentiasa mempercayai saya, sentiasa membantu saya. I know the parents, you guys are always busy, but with just one call, you guys are willing to drop everything and come running. And for that, I am very, very grateful. Thank you. Okay. Before I end my speech, I would also like to thank LPS members. Thank you so much for your guidance and for always believing in me. Even when you see me outside, you're very happy to see me, and I'm very happy to see you also. Thank you so much for your guidance and support. Now, before I end my speech, I would like to sing a very short song. Short, yeah? Not long, short song for all of you.
Di ba?
Diba?
Nyanyi.